Hey everyone, Gil here at Graymanprepping. On today's episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about glassware. Now yesterday we talked about plasticware, well today I want to talk about glassware. And this is one of the things that my wife got into more than she did before because she got tired of seeing the plastic containers bubbling up in the microwave because the liquid got too hot on one side and started bubbling and stuff, and she read some information about how the plastic gives off certain things when you microwave it. So what she started doing was buying Pyrex glassware. And it's interesting. All right, so yes, it's got a plastic top on it, but you don't put the plastic top in the microwave, and you don't put it in the oven. So you just, after you store something in it, you just put this into the microwave, or you can put it into the oven to cook it up. And this comes in a lot of different things here, and I'm really, I really like this. They come in different rectangular ones, different thicknesses, different sizes and stuff. One of the things I do like about this one, this is going to sound kind of weird. I got this one in the fridge right now. One of these in the fridge right now with a package of bologna in it. Because this seals it up and keeps it fresh. Because the package of bologna we're getting isn't like the Oscar Mayer one where it has that snap little lid on and stuff, but it comes in a cheaper container. And when you peel it off, it doesn't reseal. So we put it in one of these, and it keeps it nice and fresh. Of course, it still doesn't last so long when the grandkids come over here, and I got 2 or 3 grandkids going, bologna sandwiches, and it's gone. Anyways, these are really great. I've done soup in them. I've fixed up mashed potatoes in them. Put some stew in them to reheat and chili to reheat in the microwave. It's and sometimes when I do a pot of chili, I have about 2/3 of one of these left over, and then I just reheat it and eat what I want out of it and put it back in the fridge and then finish it off later. So glassware is something that's really cool. It lasts a lot longer than some of the plasticware does, and it doesn't the glassware itself does not give off chemicals. So it's something really cool you need to consider having for your in your kitchen here for storing food in, and also for reheating it in. All right, so stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing, proper containers. Learn a new skill every month and grow something. If you don't have a garden, start a garden. Grow food. The stuff at the grocery store is sprayed with all sorts of chemicals in the field, at harvest time, in transit, in the grocery stores. They're spraying it with chemicals to make it last longer. Yet you need to grow your own food.